Welcome to the primer on Information and Communication Technologies for Disaster Risk Management. My name is Gabrielle Iglesias and I work for the Asian Disaster Preparedness Center. The goal of this primer is to address the potential of Information and Communication Technologies, or ICTs, for reducing the possibility of death or economic disruption by improving access to the information that can help make better choices. The objectives for the primer are, first, introduce the whole process and the different components of disaster risk management. Second, to introduce basic concepts of ICTs. Third, foster a better understanding of how ICTs can be applied effectively in disaster risk management. And fourth, to provide case studies of ICT applications in all components of disaster risk management. The primer is structured into the following sessions. First, we have an overview. Second, an introduction to disaster risk management. Third, the need for ICTs in disaster risk management. Fourth, ICT for disaster mitigation. Fifth, ICT for disaster preparedness. Sixth, ICT for disaster response. And seventh, ICT for disaster recovery. What are the key messages from this primer? First, we want to emphasize that ICTs contribute to improving information management and analyzing disaster risk for all phases of disaster risk management. Second, ICTs add to the available options for communication, especially during an event of a disaster. And finally, we would like to build your capacity to identify opportunities for applying ICTs to reduce the risk of disaster.